Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So we are back with the next part of our mandala pattern series. Again, we have to make the dome shape, the replica of it, and we are going to change the inner designs again. So here I'm going to make a circle. Along with that, making certain loops. Just follow the steps I'm doing here. The more you practice, the better the result will be, or the more clear strokes you will get. Yeah, again we are going to use the black gel pen. It's not compulsory that you have to use the black one only. You can go for any sort of color pen of your choice. I like the black one the most, so I'm using it here. um, Outline the outer portion first, then go for the inner design, and just fill the rest of the portion. This is how the end result will look like. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and stay tuned for the next part.